Hi everyone, welcome to Product Critique. Today I'm showing what I consider the best pegboard stand on the market. The NectaCol metal pegboard display stand with baseplate, 2 separate pegboard panels, standing 2 feet x 5 feet with wheels and extra hooks. If you're looking for a versatile display rack for crafts, retail items, art pieces, tools, or jewelry, this pegboard stand delivers. With its 2-panel design, you have flexibility. If you need a shorter board, use only one panel. If you prefer a taller display, connect both panels together. Below, a sturdy base plate supports additional items or storage beneath the pegboard, which means you can maximize vertical and base space without cluttering floor space. Construction is iron metal and feels solid. The pegboard itself is relatively thick at about 0.7 mm metal, giving it good rigidity. So you can hang heavier items like kitchenware, tools, garments, or accessories without worrying about bending or sagging. The frame's design feels stable enough for everyday use, whether in a small shop, a craft fair stall, or a home workshop. Mobility is another highlight. The stand comes with wheels, so you don't have to lift and carry a heavy display rack when rearranging or moving your setup. That's especially useful if you exhibit at different venues or like to rearrange your space often. Setting it up is simple. You only need to twist a few screws, attach the base legs, connect panels if you're using both, and you're ready to go. When you don't need the full height, you can dismantle it and use a shorter configuration or store it away efficiently. That portability and ease of assembly make it a good choice for people who want flexibility and convenience. With its adaptable size, sturdy build, mobility, and extra hooks, the NectaCol pegboard stand offers a great solution whether you're a retailer, crafter, or hobbyist. If you want a reliable pegboard display that won't eat up floor space and stays easy to move, this stand is worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more product reviews.